I'm Rosie. I live in Milton Keynes. On the 5th of November, we celebrate Bonfire Night.
Remember, remember the 5th of November, gunpowder, treason and plots. We see no reason why gunpowder treason should ever be forgot.
What are you doing?
I'm doing a history project on Bonfire Night. Do you know the story?
Yes, that's Guy Fawkes. He wanted to kill the king.
Yes, that's right. In 1605, he tried to blow up the Houses of Parliament with gunpowder.
Did the king die?
No, he didn't. And every year on the 5th of November, we light a bonfire to remember what happened.
Is that why they make a guy and put it on a bonfire?
Yes, that's right. And we have fireworks too.
I love fireworks. I'm making fireworks safety posters for my homework. Come and look.
They're good posters, Sam. That's a great rocket.
Remember, remember the 5th of November, gunpowder, treason and plots.
What are you two doing?
We're making a guy for Bonfire Night.
Dad, have you got an old scarf?
Yes, I think so. Hang on.
Look at his face.
He's great.
Here's an old scarf.
Thanks, Dad.
Well done. He looks great.
My dad and I are going to the shop. Can I have some sparklers for Bonfire Night?
Yes, but you can't buy them.
I know. Children can't buy fireworks.
Can I have some sparklers, please?
That's £1, please.
Here we are. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, Rosie, let's go.
It's Bonfire Night. Our friends come to our house. We have lots of delicious food before we go to a firework display. Are we going to eat in the garden, Mum?
Yes, we are. We're going to light the sparklers too.
And then we're going to go to a firework display.
With a big bonfire?
Yes.
Dad, what are those?
They're toffee apples. Watch out, they're hot.
They're here.
I love hot dogs. Sparklers are great fun.
Be careful, they're dangerous.
Come on, everyone. It's nearly time to go and see the fireworks.
We go to see a big firework display near our house. Hurry up, we don't want to miss the fireworks.
Have you got the guy?
Yes, I have. Come on, everybody.
At the firework display, people burn guys on the bonfire, and there are lots of beautiful fireworks.